use Flint Wallet from the scratch. You can make use of Flint Wallet as a wallet, main wallet, create it. So let me open Flint Wallet. This is my Flint Wallet. I'm using Kiwi browser. So you just click on the top right, you locate all your extensions, you click on Flint, then it loads it up. So that's how to access Flint. So good. Now let's say I have here my Flint Wallet. Now this is what we need to do. Let me just say in one word the purpose why we are making use of Flint Wallet. Because I'm using Roy, so I have to copy my passphrase. It's just like coming to this top right. If you are starting afresh, it will bring out an option for you to input your passphrase. But if this is your first wallet, you want to add more wallets, come to this top right, click it, then add account. So you can use it to create your ADA directly, and you can use it as you copy your passphrase from your regular ADA wallet, and it will load it here. So after I put in my password, it loaded this. Then the purpose why we actually went to this Flint is that we want to send it from the regular ADA. You can see this ADA. From the regular ADA, we want to send it to Milkomeda ADA, which is also known as MilkyADA or MADA. So what you now do is this: you click on this, or you click on send. You can see send. Now you see, if I say I want to send it to my Milkomeda address, which is also known as Ethereum address, OX address. Okay, let me say I paste this now. See what it's going to tell me: invalid address. Why? Because I've not switched on the Milkomeda function. But if I put in regular ADA Cardano address, see this one. All right. Let me take away this space. There should not be space there. All right. Now see, you see, it allows me. I can tell it that okay, I want to send 30 ADA. You see, it allows me, no problem. But if I want to change it to Milkomeda OX, so because this one is ADDR, which is the regular ADA wallet address, but now I want it to be the OX, which is the Milkomeda ADA, ADA. So I'm going to clean this off, and I'm going to switch this on to Milkomeda. So if I put in ADDR for example now, ADA, see what it's going to tell me now. It's going to tell me invalid. But if I put in my OX, this, and it's going to tell me valid. 31.3. Yes. Okay. Now it's going to ask me for my password. Right, so I proceed in sending, creating your transfer, and done. Now the next thing to do is to go and check your Metamask if it has reflected. So you come to the top right if you are using phone, then you select your Metamask. Now let's see. So once Metamask is loaded, then you should be wondering, okay, how do I now see it? See all the networks available: Ethereum, Evmos, and all like that. So how do you do that? You now come to this place, just follow, search, just search on your Google, make sure it's Google to bring it out. Just search Milkomeda Metamask. Just search like that. It will take you down to that place. Although there's a direct link, but I don't have that right now. So I just click on this. That's their Git book. It's going to give you all you need there. So you scroll down. Okay, I can save it. This is the entire thing we want to work on. But you can copy somewhere else, but I don't need that. I'm just going to click on the network name. I'm going to copy it. Now, where am I going to apply it? We'll go back to our MetaMask. Because without doing the setup, we are not going to see the balance, even if it has reflected. Though we know that the transfer from Flint Wallet is going to take 5 minutes at least. Now, let's see. So you click on this network, Ethereum network. So you click on add network. Okay. All right, let's add network now. Now, What's the network name? You paste it here. Then you go back to this list. What's the RPC all? You copy it, come and paste it here as well. Okay. Chain ID, you pick 2001. MilkADA, you copy. Now you pick your this block explorer. Then you now save. I think that's all. These are all the things you need to complete the setup and to bring it to this chain. So when I save it, it's going to switch to Milkomeda Cardano. You can see I already have this in my wallet, so I'm expecting 31 MilkyADA. So once it's dropped, it's going to reflect. It's now reflecting. We have 31 MilkyADA. So after having challenges connecting through my extension browser, Kiwi browser precisely, I have to go and use my Metamask app. So we have done the needful on those sites. So we need to complete it on this Metamask app. So I switched to MilkyADA. You can see it's giving me 31 MilkyADA that we started with there. So it's still the same. It's just that we are switching the interface. We are using a more compatible interface. So let me go to Milkyswap Exchange swap. All right. So it's going to connect automatically here. So I guess we get this the gist. So now let me just do one. I switch back and forth. Okay, let's say one. I'm swapping one MilkyADA to one Milky. Okay, all right. So it asks me to confirm. I confirm. You see, if I like, I can add that. This is not necessary or compulsory. So we're done. The swap has been concluded. That is how the transaction on Milkyswap goes. So it's a beautiful achievement for Cardano ADA blockchain. Congrats to the team.